You're a CIO, and you're feeling pressure to make good on the millions you spent on cloud, on mobility, and on big data. But you have to be very careful about data security. One slip up and you're toast. Now you can do this, but you can't do it without seriously transforming your infrastructure to be something that it hasn't been, namely focused on service delivery, speedy, and agile. Now you look at the path of this transformation of IT from laggard to leader, and you see roadblocks. An HP IDG research study reveals the two main culprits are cost and an already overworked and overburdened IT staff. And the weapon of choice to get from point A, which is laggard, to point B, which is leader, it's convergence. Convergence of servers, storage, and networking. That is what will get you the quickest to the new style of IT. So why did 61% of the survey sample cite convergence? Well, because moving to a converged infrastructure smashes down data silos. It combats IT complexity, creating order from chaos with a unified management solution. Now that leads to better hardware utilization, and that in turn leads to lower costs. Reduced management overhead leads to more time for IT innovation. And IT innovation is what the new style of IT is all about. Now you can go it alone, or you can find a trusted partner to help. But whatever tactic you choose, there is no time like the present to get cracking. Time, tide, and organizational demands will wait for no one.